Hey guys, NBGlowRock12 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a Chicken Little toy. It has he has like a baseball bat on him and all that. It's got like the little wind up on over here, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's see now. First, what we do is basically wind them up here. Okay, then we like put them in here. Oops, wrong way. Then we put them in like this, and then let's see now. Whoa, see? Just like that. Look, go, Chicken Little, go. Come on, keep on going. Huh. But yeah, anyways, yeah, his bat doesn't move right there. Here, let me just wind him up like normal. Oh, wait, actually, shoot. Okay, there we go. See? Even without it, you can still do it. Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.